Hey, what's up guys? Matt here, and I'm here with Gina, and today we're going to do our 5th video in the series where we're stretching up Gina's ears. I think today we're at 6 gauge, and we're going to be bumping up to 4 gauge. It's been a while since we did our last stretch. I know our original plan was to stretch once a month, give it around 4 weeks in between stretches, but you know, with the holidays and stuff, we just kind of got backed up and we just didn't get around to it, which is actually not a bad thing. That's actually a really good thing. So right now we're looking at about 2 months. And hopefully, because it has been 2 months, it should be a really easy stretch. Last time we had a really easy stretch, I think we gave it 2 months also. And this time it should be about the same. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're gonna do right here is we're gonna give her ear the flare check. Now, by the flare check, what I mean is we're gonna see if that flare pulls through on its own. And it's going, but it's a little rough, so I'm not gonna force that, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this plug out, and we're gonna take our single flare glass plug. Remember, single flare is really important. It's a 4 gauge single flare plug. And I have a little bit of a water-based lube on the back of my glove here. I'm gonna put a little bit on our ear and a little bit on the plug. And what we're gonna do here is see if this drill just pop in on its own. Line it all up, and let's see here. Yeah, and that just kind of slid right in really, really easy. So we're not gonna need a taper for that one, obviously, because the plug just went right in. And now we're gonna go ahead and pop the O-ring on the back. And there it is. We were pretty much done with that side. So now let's move on to the next side. All right, so now we're gonna try our other side here. So same thing, we're gonna give it that little test. We try and pull the flare through her ear. And it's not really going, at least not easily going, okay? So we're gonna pop this guy out. And we're gonna take our single flare plug. I'm gonna lube it up. I'm gonna also put some lube on our ear here. Let's see if this guy wants to go in. Now, it went in really easy on the other side. But it's not feeling so easy on this side. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of resistance. I don't wanna push that, all right? I only wanna push this through if it goes in smoothly and easily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a taper. I'm gonna lube that up with the lube I have on the back of my glove here. I'm gonna set the end in the hole right there. I'm gonna take my single flare glass plug, which already has a little bit of lube on it. I'm gonna set it in that taper right there. And Gina, I'm gonna have you take a really big deep breath in for me. And exhale. We're gonna make that one smooth, solid motion, okay? Perfect. Once we have that done, just gonna pop the O-ring on the back. Now that side was definitely a little tight. Gina, I'm sure you felt that. But we know that since we only stretched one size, it was a safe stretch, even though it was tighter. Everything was safe. We didn't really do much damage at all. And she should be able to recover from that really, really easily. All right, guys, so there you have it. That concludes part 5 in this video series where we've been stretching up Gina's ears. So right now we're at a 4 gauge. You know, we're gonna try in a month to bump it up to a 2 gauge. But at this rate, we've been looking at like 2 months per stretch. And not that it has anything to do with Gina's ears, it's just we've been kind of slacking on our own time. But as a goal, kind of shoot for a month from today. If her ears are ready, we're gonna go up to a 2 gauge. And then from a month from that, we're looking at a 0 gauge, okay? So thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to keep a lookout. We'll put out in a month from now, part 6 of this video series. And I'll see you guys next time.